I cannot believe that it's already Sunday. Where did the freaking weekend go? I thought it was just Friday. Guys, I used to ask myself this every single Sunday when I was going to a 9 to 5. I strongly disliked my job. It was not only exhausting and mentally challenging, but it didn't even cover my rent. So I felt like I was working 40 plus hours a week for nothing in return. I was struggling so much. And so when I became a stay-at-home mom and I eventually learned about online digital marketing and I started bringing in income off my phone, only working a couple hours a day, I was like, this is literally a dream come true. Half the time, I don't even know what day it is of the week. I just get to live my life and make memories with my daughter. I am telling you, if you are sick and tired of that job, if you are sick and tired of working 40 plus hours a week to barely be able to cover rent, I want you to comment me down below so I can teach you about online digital marketing.